Hello everyone, this printer is HP MV 6120E. It's a multifunctional printer. It can print, copy, and scan. What I want to do is to show you how to install the ink cartridges, and also we're going to load the paper. So open up the cover. Once you open up, the ink holder will position itself. It will move from the corner and position itself on the center where it's supposed to be. So this is where the ink goes. Now we're going to install the ink cartridges. This printer uses ink cartridges 308 black and triple colors. So this is the black ink cartridge, and the black one goes to the right. So this is where the black ink goes. If you want to remove it, put it down, pull it up. So we're going to install the colored one. Then you go in. So this is where the colored ink goes. Colored one goes to the left. The black one goes to the right. If you want to remove it, pull it down to remove. Pull it up. Then you close the cover. And now it's checking the ink cartridges. Please wait. Now I'll ask you load paper, A4 or letter size of the paper. Load the paper, put your hand to bring this gasket out. So we're going to load A4 paper. So if you want to load photo paper, what you need to do is you need to make sure the glossy part need to face down, the rough part need to be up if you want to load photo paper. So we're going to take A4 paper. This is A4. Then you go in. Then adjust it. Then close the cover. Load paper. Paper successfully loaded. Then you select OK. Then it will show you new HP ink cartridges installed, black and triple colors. Then you select OK. Alignment needed. Alignment improve print quality. This process use ink and paper. Make sure that plain white paper is loaded. Then you select align. So it's going to print alignment paper. Alignment. Place the alignment page on, then open up the scanner. Take the paper, print it out. So stick the paper alignment face down, make sure it starts from the left side, then close the cover, then select scan. Cartridge alignment completed. Printer is now calibrated. Then you select OK. You discard the paper. This is how to install the ink cartridges, load the paper, and complete alignment. The next is for you to install HP app on your mobile device for you to connect the printer to a Wi-Fi network. You can scan the QR code on your phone, then connect it via a wireless network. So this is how to load the paper, install the ink cartridges, and also align the printer. Thank you very much indeed.